Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Economics and Statistics. This is Professor Atman Shah. I teach economics at St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, India. In this video, I'm going to explain the idea of income elasticity of demand. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more videos on economics, statistics, SPSS and R programming. There are three types of elasticity of demand: price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity of demand. Income elasticity of demand explains the responsiveness of quantity demanded to a change in the income of the consumer. In other words, it measures the change in quantity demanded due to change in the income. The formula to compute the income elasticity is the percentage change in quantity demanded upon the percentage change in income. That is delta Q upon delta Y into Y upon Q. Let's understand the type of the income elasticity of demand. First type is positive income elasticity. This means that quantity demanded increases as income increases and quantity demanded decreases as income decreases. And therefore, income elasticity of demand is greater than zero. It is positive. Here we have two possibilities. Let's understand these two possibilities with the help of diagram. So quantity demanded is measured along x-axis and income is measured along y-axis. You can see these two portions of the demand curve, portion AB and portion BC. For basic necessities, income elasticity of demand is greater than 0 but less than 1. See the BC portion of the demand curve. And for luxury goods, income elasticity of demand is higher than 1. See the AB portion of the demand curve. So here the slope of the BC portion of the demand curve is higher than the AB portion of the demand curve. Second type is zero income elasticity of demand. This means that quality demanded does not change with the change in income. You can see the CD portion of the demand curve, which is a vertical line, or this line is parallel to y-axis. The third type is negative income elasticity of demand. So here quantity demanded decreases as income increases and vice versa. See the BE portion of the demand curve, which is negatively sloped. So for inferior goods, we have negative income elasticity of demand. So the range of the income elasticity of demand is minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the idea of income elasticity of demand. If you find this video useful, kindly like and share, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crack Economics and Statistics. Thank you.